Good morning, everyone. Today's March 17th, 2026. Right now it's 36 degrees. The high's be at 39 with the low at 29. Pretty good temperature. Pretty cold though. Humidity is at 56%. Dew point is at 22 with pressure at 29.71. I can see this being sort of this is sort of weirdish because we have that low pressure, but we also have that that low humidity at 56%, along with our dew point at around 22, which is a little bit lower than usual. But anyways, nothing too out of the ordinary. Air breathe is at 22, which is fair. As we look at throughout our forecast, it's going to be a nice day today. We're going to have some partial clouds today. If the screen can move. Winds are get up to 14 miles per hour in westward directions throughout the whole day. And as we look at our 10-day forecast, we get to see that today is windy, reaches almost 15 miles per hour. Then we have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with 36 to 52 degree highs. Pretty good weather though, with partial clouds as well. Now, as we dive into our weekend, it's obviously going to be rainy, as we covered that yesterday. But as we hop in through our next week, we have Monday. It is going to rain as well on that day. And we can see it being on Wednesday and, yeah. So Wednesday, Monday, Sunday, Saturday, and those are all the days. So more closer to next week, and in next week we'll see some more rain, but but throughout the whole weekday we'll get to see some nice weather. Thank you guys for watching. That's all I have for Dell weather for today. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, it is windy again, so I'd recommend taking some sort of hoodie coat or a coat, because it's really cold today. So that it's not mainly this, it's mainly the wind that's making it colder. So just put on good winter gear, winter attire, like a coat. But that is all I have for Delaware for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.